Nick Rudder from McKee's 37. I'm going to show you how to use floor mat and cargo liner rejuvenator. This 2-in-1 cleaner and rejuvenator helps bring back the appearance when your floor mats become dull, discolored, faded from years of dirt and grime, road salt. It rejuvenates the rubber by deep cleaning it. Using this product is simple. Spray it onto the surface, and if you have a lot of loose dirt and debris, it's best to rinse it with a strong jet of water first. Let it dwell for about 30 seconds. And floor mats and cargo liners, for most people, they're one of the most expensive aftermarket investments you make for your new car. A set of floor liners like this can cost upwards of $300 or $400, depending on the size of the vehicle and whether or not you get the cargo liner as well. Even basic mats like this at the auto parts store, upwards of $100. Buying this is inexpensive insurance to keep these guys looking new. So after it sits for about 30 seconds, you want to agitate with a stiff nylon brush. And I like to go the direction of the design of the floor mat. So you can see it has these ridges here. I'll follow those ridges. If you want to create some foam, add a little bit of water. Just a little bit is all you need. It'll really lather it up. And depending on the condition of the mat, the dirtier it is, the more cleaner you're going to use, and the longer you're going to scrub. Now, some mats get to the point where they're past the point of no return. So if you've had mats like this in your car for a couple of years and you've neglected them all this time, there's a good chance this is not going to restore them 100%, but it's going to do better than anything else would. And then for more basic mats like this, the process is the same. I'm going to scrub in the direction of the design of the grooves, and then I'm going to rinse. I've sprayed, I've scrubbed, now it's time to rinse. See all that dirt and grime come off there, you see that? We'll let these dry, which you can dry them with a towel, or you can let them air dry, then we'll reinstall in the vehicle. That's McKee's 37 floor mat and cargo liner rejuvenator. I'm Nick Rudder from McKee's 37.